Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am glad you guys are here. So today we've got a package that has been through hell and back all around the world and finally showed up with the sticker on it. So we're going to find out what is in the package. But first, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thanks all of you guys and gals who come in and check out my weird knife EDC content. I appreciate each and every one of you, and if you guys haven't had a chance yet and are so inclined, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So again, we've got a package in this space blanket from Maxace with a weird message on it, and I did order a knife from Maxace that has been well over 45-50 days ago. So I knew this was coming at some point, hoped it was, but I also knew it got hung up in customs, so don't know what's going to be left of it. We'll see what we got here. All right. So guys, we have got a knife from Maxace Knife Company, and the knife itself has not been opened up yet. So anyway, this is a knife that is not my normal jam. I basically picked it up. I'd seen, I think, a review on MC's channel, Metal Complex, and I don't even remember which one I got, but this is the Maxace Neptune. I know you guys can't read that, but it's the Maxace Neptune X04A gray handle single edge blade SLD. So this is not one of my normal kind of knives. So you get a cloth, a nice bag or box, and then a bag with this knife in it that we'll look at together, which I can tell you already feels very solid and heavy. So this is the Maxace out the front Neptune that is, I mean, a ridiculous value to say the least. It is I want to say aluminum or titanium handle, probably aluminum. You got this nice button, deep carry, reversible clip. You've got this little skull crucker here, or glass breaker. It's a bigger knife than I thought. Let's get out my only other out the front, just to get some size comparisons as we get into it. And again, this is just an unboxing, so keep that in mind. We will do a full review on this knife and talk about it. Let's see. So, just by comparison, this is the EMP EDC Nimble, and that is the Riot XOM. So I'm saying this is more of a full size out the front. You've got this texturing. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. I had to let the Apex Predator out. But you've got this really nice, either aluminum, a little bit of milling here on the side, and you've got this kind of sandpapery, but very gritty. However, let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. However, they're recessed enough that they do not get into the way of that clip going in and out of pocket. This goes in and out of pocket very well. So, this is what we have, guys. This is the Maxace Neptune. Maxace's out the front. Let's get some paper. Guys, I'm sorry to be quiet, but it happens to be therapeutically slicey. They have 3 blade shapes. One of them is a double edge. This I want to say is the Tonto. And what I can tell you is it is very, very sharp. I think it's a flat grind. You've got this ZDP. I forget what the wrap is on this. I'll have more information in the review, but this blade steel, you have this core material and then you've got this wrap. Very similarly to the ZDP, if you've seen a MBK Monterey Bay swayback, or if you've seen a turbo, the way they're done. But yeah, it's got a very stiff spring. It bangs out. A little hard to retract with my finger. That can be adjusted, or I can use 2 hands. But I mean, it fires out. You got a little bit of side to side, no up and down. A little bit of side to side, but nothing that's going to make it rattle or anything like that. Very nice sharpening choil. You've got a nice swedge. Nice milling. Again, it's a full-size knife, so it is a longer dude. It's got a and again, this is not a review, but we will see that it is a full 3.5-inch blade and a full 5-inch handle. So big knife. And then I have to use my knuckle to retract it right now because it is stiff, which is good. I wouldn't want it to not be for an OTF. Or I could very easily use my second hand and close it. You know, I'm kind of a wuss though. But this is the Maxace Neptune. They have a couple of different colorways. It looks like I got the full dark. It's kind of got this like DLC, flashy black, dark gray, sniper gray look, and then a full black button, a full black clip. Cool knife. And guys, I don't know if I said this yet, but on Maxace's website, this OTF made by Maxace is 108 bucks. 108. So $108. I've not seen an OTF that was of any quality for really less than 200 bucks. Really less than 300. This is $108. So it'll be interesting to see how it works, how it goes out, how it lives. We'll take it apart. We'll have fun with it. We'll see what ticks. Maybe we'll loosen the spring, release some of that tension. But yeah, let's see. I think it's T8s, I'm guessing. Looks like 6 T8s hold it together. Yep, T8, very deep, very well. That makes a lot of difference, guys. I don't know if I can stress that enough, but a good screw. Oh, that's probably Loctited in there. Yeah, I don't want to break it out now, but we will take it apart. I will loosen it up and get my Weehai out. T8s, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it just comes apart, and you've got your blade, your assembly mechanism, and your spring. I think it's really cool. I love the satin flat. I love this kind of frosted stonewash spine that's very, very acute. And then you got this super slicey edge with this wrap that looks just like ZDP, and maybe that's what it is. I just need to find out. But yeah, man, $108 OTF from a reputable company like Maxace, who has done a ton with the Black Mirror at $150, the Meerkat at $150, and S90V. They keep pushing the limits of design and of value. So Maxace Neptune unboxing. Thank you guys for watching it. We will do a full review on this guy after I've had some time to live with it. But I love each and every one of you. And as I ask, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your hearts. And please choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.